Hello and welcome to another video from The Pivot. In these videos we look at useful technology for busy early learning centre managers. Today we'll be looking at Sync.com, a computer backup service, and as we do in all our videos we'll begin by looking at just how this software can help us. Suppose the unimaginable happens. Your centre burns down, a burglar figures they need your computer more than you do, or you leave your laptop on the roof of your car. There's lots of ways you could lose your computer or the data on it. If you've lost or broken your computer and you're using Sync.com, all you need to do is buy your new computer and download all your files. You simply pick up where you left off, wherever you are, and no matter how busy you are. And best of all, you don't have to do anything special each day to get this level of security. Just set your computer up once and leave Sync to do the work. We'll go over the extra features Sync offers later in this video, but the key reason to use it is to back up your files. Sync is the same as Dropbox, which you've probably heard of, but even if you're a Dropbox user, you may wish to keep watching as Sync has a couple of advantages. It's cheaper. You can set up a free account with both companies to try out their services, but you'll soon need to go to a paid plan for serious storage. You can get 500 gigabytes of storage with Sync, which is more than enough for most users, for $49 US per year. The cheapest paid Dropbox account gives you 1 terabyte of storage for $99 US per year. It's double the storage, but it's double the price too. You can get 2 terabytes of storage for $96 US with Sync.com. And the other reason? Privacy. This may not be a big issue for you, assuming you're not storing state secrets, but most people don't like the thought of their files being accessed by someone else without their knowledge or permission. Sync.com competes with several other storage platforms besides Dropbox, Google Drive, Box and Microsoft OneDrive being some examples. All these companies have in their terms of service that their staff or computer systems, or in Dropbox case, trusted third parties, can access your files. Of course they probably don't do anything scurrilous, but they can access your stuff. In addition, these companies are all based in the USA, so are subject to the American Patriot Act, which, in simple language, allows the US government to order companies to hand over data the government feels it needs to fight terrorism. Sync.com is 100% Canadian, so it's not subject to the American Patriot Act. Furthermore, Sync uses an encryption technology that encrypts and decrypts your data on your own device and stores the encryption keys there too. Sync doesn't get a copy of the keys and therefore they can't access your files even if they wanted to. It's just not technically possible. Okay, maybe it's not a big deal, but if you're like us, it's just comforting to know that your information can't be seen by anyone else. So how do we use Sync? It's simple. Sign up for an account and install the software. As part of the installation, Sync will create a folder on your computer called, funnily enough, Sync, just like Dropbox and the others do. All you have to do is put all your files in it, just like you do with your Documents or My Documents folder now. In fact, the best thing is to just drag the whole lot across folders and files. Done. Just make sure your My Documents folder is empty. It will take several days or weeks even for your data to be uploaded at the beginning. Obviously it's still on your computer so you have access to everything in the meantime. But once it's all uploaded, from then on your files are backed up in real time automatically and without you having to keep watch. Every file in your Sync folder is continuously monitored, and if there's a change, an updated copy is stored in the cloud, or will be as soon as your device has internet access again. Of course, all your files remain on your device as well as in the cloud. The main trick is to make sure you save everything to the Sync folder and have nothing in My Documents. It really is a one-time setup and payment for continuous peace of mind. Now, what are some of the other features? You can use Sync to synchronize your files across multiple devices too. If you have a computer, a laptop, a tablet and a smartphone, install Sync on all of them. They cost no more. All your files will be accessible from all your devices and be continuously up to date. If you're short of storage on a particular device, you don't have to have all your files on it. You can tell Sync which folders you want on each device. Of course, all are kept in the cloud no matter what each device has on it. It's even possible to use your Vault to store files in the cloud, but not on any of your devices. This is a good place to put all those files or photos you don't want clogging up your computer. You can always access them by logging into your own Sync.com online account. Setting up Sync.com lets you share and collaborate with others too. You can make a file accessible to someone else, they don't need a Sync.com account, by right-clicking to create a share link and then copying that link to them in an email. The link will take them to a download page like this. But you can do much more. If you share a folder with a person that has a Sync.com account, and it can be a free trial account, you can allow them to edit files too. So you could have someone else make additions or alterations to a file on your computer, perhaps your next newsletter, without all the complications of which file is the latest and so on. You can even have people send you files direct into your Sync folder on your computer, say if the file is too big for email. You just send them an upload enabled link. You can choose a password and an expiry date, and you can receive a notification by email when a file is uploaded. Just choose whether you want the recipient to see the other files in your folder or not. Save the settings, and then copy and send them the link. Now, that person, even if they are a non-Sync user, can access the linked folder in their browser and upload files to it. The files will then appear on your computer. It's a great way to receive documents through a very secure channel. Now, one final point. Sync offers a deleted file recovery option. The default is 30 days, so even if you delete a file from your computer, you can easily retrieve it for up to 30 days just by clicking the trash can. Sync.com is first and foremost a backup recovery tool. And just to make it absolutely clear, if you ever lose your computer, simply install the Sync desktop app on your new computer and enter your email address and password. Your Sync folder will magically appear on your new computer with all of your files busily downloading. And if you get your computer stolen, you can even deactivate Sync on the computer remotely, so the thief can't access your files either. So there it is, Sync.com, a truly versatile and useful tool that could save you some mighty headaches. We hope it helps make your job a little bit easier. Thanks for watching.